When you try to paint smoke or steam or any kind of transparent subject matter like this, make sure you approach it with thin paint. Don't try to use opaque paint, because what happens, and I'm going to show you, if you use opaque, like right here, I'm going to make this really opaque. I mean, it could be, too much like a solid thing, and it just doesn't have a feel of, of transparency, of that lightness of this smoke or again steam or anything close to this. Even for that matter, some of these wispy areas of the tree here. So try to, I'm gonna take down the transparency, and it should be taking that to like 40%. Make my brush a little bit bigger. Once I do that, I can see that gently as I go over it. So this is how I would do it with real paint too, is thin and kind of layer it slowly on there. And obviously the source of it on the bottom would be maybe a little bit less transparent. And then as it goes up, as it goes away, it just becomes more transparent. So if you go with opaque paint right away, it's just really not going to have that transparent feel to it. And I think a lot of times people make that mistake, and it becomes more just one. As I put the opacity back to 100%, it just becomes this one solid thing like this, rather than if I take that transparency down. That would be similar to if, let's see, I'll take it down more. As I gently ease into it. And if I put it out here, look at how nice that is. Nice effect. It has more of a, because, smoke or steam is definitely more transparent than, let's say the solid part of the tree. So just ease up to it with a thin coat of paint. That's my advice on, steam or smoke.